Make sure we have record.
We not go too loud. Early night time, but we have neighbors and things, we know too, but too hard with it. But King Street dance class, we did for really do is a Water Lane. Water Lane and King Street, downtown Kingston, town people who know town know me talk about. But it no work away there. Because them say dance hard before you dance abroad. Hold on. We want to go through dance hall tomorrow, today, whenever you watch this. The February 22nd, 2026 is dance hall week, the start of dance hall week from a Sunday to Sunday. We'll have celebrations and things. Right now what I'm doing is endorsing this thing that we call dance hall. So we say we want to go in a dance hall from the beginning. Hold on. Dance hall from the beginning, and we are make the journey. Right, the journey now we're done tonight, But we are see how far in a dance hall we go. When we start dance hall like something like so. Hold on. Something like so. Can't load. Me can't dance to it because I'm not supposed to. It's a thing called Bam Skele. Bam Skele. Me look most me do on that, but me I say no. Dance hall week there. It's dance hall week, launch of dance hall week. This is Yoruba. Yoruba is the language you're speaking. It's an African dialect. And they're saying Bamskele. B-A-M-S-K-E-L-E. What the fuck that means? Well, I'm going to tell you. Bamskele, that dance and that music is something that the young women in Nigeria and other related areas would dance. Young women saying Bamskele are saying to a man with them love, stay with me into old age. That's exactly what Bamskele means. And it's no different right in the dance, you know. I mean, that sounds like something with the Jamaican girl that I say no in her dancer. So she go hold the man, to hold him right through and forever. And well, it will be young women who are doing them kind of something, you know. Well on, we'll go further. Wait. We come little further now, little forward. With the Bamskele over Africa. And that means say dancehall Jamaica originates Africa. And what you're listening to now, hold on. May I make people know that the TikTok people who don't know. You because you so young who don't know yet. Say dancehall start Africa. You see the link with we are Africa now and full circle. Come in at this well listen, who don't know. This a set up music. This a revival music. Come in a drumming, come in a drums where you see that pull on. The record, make sure we have bump up the record. If you ever need a camera here, so me see a record too. I'm going to remember it right now. I'm going to call that one a dinky minute. Come in here. A dance all this. Slave master them work we out the whole week or the whole day, and then at the end of the week or the end of the day, we there around the drum and do them kind of thing. And so dance all start. We just have met some of my people with them on the live know that. Well, we go Bamskele, we are Africa, we come forward to we as a carry in Africa. But we say come in at this, we carry Africa. Hold on then, hold on. Come forward more now, come forward now, King Nyah. I feel like we are well, and some people don't think say, stop it. Alright. Not many people can do the twist, but anybody can do the ska. It's the new dance you can't resist. I dance all that. Yeah. Some of the girl, them, 21, 22-year-old girl, them don't know, so them blood clean grandmother used to do the thing them when them a do, you know, skin out and all these things, and that's how them coming out. Well, and how you would be here as a grandchild if your 60-year-old grandmother never see a man where she like when the bum buckle Samia, did that play. And that me I say, see that the American King Street dance class. And that's what they show on. New dance, you dance with King Nyah. I do it good, I only show, I want the camera pick me up, it now, I not set right to the camera. And I put a new history. You said them about your head, now about doing it. Now about, I swing my arm there.
Shake your hip.
I said shake your hip.
Do a dip.
Do a dip. Put it around, and that's the master. Yeah. Some people don't know, say, some people think say dancer skip and skillibang. How will you figure that? You think say skillibang and you have nothing for them money. I think a Byron lead them, you know. Them money are a boss fee thing. Yeah, them money are that spend jugs money and make the time before the jugs, the scammer money them now make the time the skillibang and skipper. You may tell you know King Nyah give a fuck about people and them sitting there them put me on fire life for hold on. Hold on, Mr. Skillibang and Skipper will not reach this yet. I scare with them with in the 60s, 60s that practical, little 70s-ish. But we are come forward, well on, come forward now, King Nyah, I tell you now where we are. See that. Forward now, dance hall we are explore. We back to Africa and we will come forward. Scare, I will come forward.
Now this one is the original move. This one called the Bella Move. Follow me, no man.
Someone know them, but
each and every year you have a new style. Each and every year you have a new style. Each and every year you have a new style. Each and every year you have a new style. Come on. One time Khan was water pumpy. Then them come with cool and deadly. Pop. It come by me. Fling with that here till you have a new style. So me want everybody me say come and follow me.
Now the man say water pumpy, cool and deadly. And say, when say pop. Me even know for one dance that, I think I want dance that. But 3 dance that, and you know what? As an old boy, me don't know none of them. I did research it and look up the cool and deadly and them, but it just come at me a while ago. So I didn't remember the blood clean dance and but I tell you this, I definitely know the Della move. Yeah? Play that Admiral Bill.
Now this one is the original move.
Yo, big up
this
Screechy. Big up my handicap virgin Screechy. You know every dance. And the handicap.
Each and every year you have a new style. Each and every year you have a new style. Each and every year you have a new style. Each and every year you have a new style. Come on. One time Khan was water pumpy. Then them come with cool and deadly. Pop. They come by me. Fling with that. Here we go. Some new style. So me want everybody. Me say come and follow me. What about it? The Della move. The Della move. Come the people come getting and they go trouble. The Della move. The Della move. Come crowd the people come getting and they go just. Find your one like your picking pass on. Move your foot and turn it in a pass. Wriggle up your body and get in on the move. Show them Della move. Yes, it have the champion. The Della move. The Della move. Come get in on the move.
I give you the Della flower. Come little forward now. Me a boy this up. Me a still boy. I say no, but little boy, little biggish lunch. I did some cooking. Big up Snagger. Big up Snagger. The man is sure about the music thing right now. Right now I be a herbs in myself. Where are the beer them thing that the man there about them? Do the touching down. Some of the TikTok may even know what name Tati. You know Snagger? See that?
Watch the road boy, we said
them a do the Tati.
watch the girls them I can do the Tati. Watch Miss Fatty and the one
That's right, God. See him here, sir.
everybody come
I'm here for food. Stop it, man.
Me I go tell you how you do the Tati.
Yes, wait.
You walk like a limbo.
Bend your back like the limbo posse. Admire your body. I'm a Rasta. Yo, shut your shit. Hold on, Snagger, because one thing I want to say, you see with Jamaica, you know why we come up with them creative, but put it in a quotation mark thing, yeah? Because we not one shit for do. Yeah, that's the reason why we come up with the damn foolishness, where many times the whole world take on to it. Hold on, I'm going to show another one. Hold on. Well, like a while ago, to me the dance is a girl dance. Me that say that from last time. Stop it. And see another girl one and so, but every man, me used to do it as a boy. But I listen to it what they me right. Alright, everybody know butterfly, that I dance. Me go play the tune and me go do the dance. Now I don't give a shit when a man say when me I do the dance. Because you know me realize what they are when me I research the song to do the dance. It's a girl dance. As a youth, me used to do the dance, you're big. I love it. I realize now it's really is a dance for the ladies.
Do you catch the new relic?
Butterfly.
Yeah.
Butterfly.
Mashing up the whole district. Driving all the young girls wild.
Man, the young girls wild. He did have a couple of butterfly too. But that one I was sweet girl.
Girl, you know, stop butterfly in the latest style. The latest style. Dance butterfly in the latest style. Some girl, them a dream on them can't do it when woman over out the foot like a ride you a ride. Still not you need them statistic.
Alright, hold on here. It is blasphemy if you do know the mania. If you're a dancehall person, any person who say dancehall, and you don't know that name, not talking to you.
All girls them jump and shout out for a while. Watch this. Oh, here new style, new dance and lift. In your hand in the ear, then you rock, then you dip. Move to the jump and make your body kick. Step forward and come up back with that on the new style where the whole place I do. Rock bogle dance, some music straight you. Bogle around the place night and day. So just rock bogle dance, some of your tune up play. I must sing on it that after no so bogle stay. She can't do it good, but she a rock same way. For real, me love how the girl them do. Rock so, deep so, look at them look sweet. Trust me, I love stand up and see. Uptown, downtown, I rock to the beat. Jeremy and I try about him really. He better make stumpy, teach him to step all the way. One that stiff like piece of wood.
Alright, well, you know, you see that man here we must sing about with a dancer named Alpha. Research him. Yeah, him born August 22nd like myself. Madman. A madman that, yeah. Bogle was a madman with the world love because him is leading out the whole of the madman them in Jamaica. We are talking about dancehall business.
Never in the can do bogle. You hear new sign, you dance a lick. In your hand in the ear, then you rock, then you kick. Move to the jump and make your body kick. Step forward and come up back. I just a new style where the whole place I do. Rock bogle dance, come music sweet you.
Well, speaking of madman, I close it out to that one. And then a madman. You are all right till my birthday. Man. See what
It's just dancing.
we are going to explore. You know when remember that dance? And when you come in, you hear it. When you tell me,
I want new dance and being fine again. I want to see the million and road again. World dance is the name and the title. The body done be the plan and the plan. I don't know why black was all love it so. And I need more roses fine and new stem. Brand new dance and we have a mad. I kill all of them roses fine and new stem. A world of dance we come to teach them. It's like poop. So the boys stand down the gully stand a pussy shocking vibes. Jet him a do the tatty. Taking me look better than so lucky. When him a whirl in my world without pretty. I am my future kicks man the butterfly can't quit.
yeah. King Street Dance Class. We are going to send out them little splice in there on TikTok